Hi gorgeous, my name is Minat Al-Abd and I'm the National Brow Artist from Benefit Cosmetics Middle East. Today I'll be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil for a soft Ramadan brow look. My first step is always to brush the brows to identify any gaps that I want to fill in. Then I take the pencil and apply soft hair strokes for a fuller brow look that I need. And once I'm done with that, I always go ahead and grab the brush to blend in any harsh edges. And you can definitely see the difference between the before and after. And once I'm done with that, I repeat the same steps for the other brow. To highlight the brow, I use the high brow pencil and I apply it right under the brow to lift them up. So easy, I can just blend it in with the tip of my finger. And to set in the whole look, I use the 24-hour setting gel and just brush it over my brows. To complete the look, I use the blush bar palette and choose Gold Rush to apply it on the apple of my cheeks. It really complements a soft glam for Ramadan. And I think we're done for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you soon. Bye!